tagged 175, 72 miles. Looks like a flight of 2, Angels 10.
Oh my god, this is really adorable. It's my dream bag. And this bag comes with a pouch. How cute! The blue is also beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, they have the Réjane. I'm not sure though, like which size. I think this, yeah. 26 would be perfect.
Contacts appear to be heading 315 mile speed, 430, Angels approximately 8,000.
Gabrielle. Maybe I like the Gaby too.
Like
in natural black.
I like it.
It's
luxurious.
so luxury.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like it's like a bag you cannot get anywhere.
Yeah.
You know, especially this one.
Yeah.
It's like the only saddle bag that is so pretty out there, and the size and what fits inside is just like perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Contacts appear to be heading 315 mile speed, 430, Angels approximately 8,000. Roger, Ace, take it north.
so cute. Oh, there's also one up there. Gaby. Up there. The Gaby bag. But this is my most favorite tote.
James closeout shows 25 miles separation. Turn it down. Contacts appear to be heading 315 now, speed 430, Angel.
So this is cute.
Roger, Ace, take it north.
Go head to toe.
Oh my god, what size is this? I wonder. It matches your outfit.
The MM size.
The MM is the biggest, right?
Yes.
Oh. Wow. What size? This is gold hardware. Gold hardware. If what? If you personalize, you have to pay extra?
Yes. So what happens is when you buy a canvas bag, and then if you want to do the personalization, we will request for how much for the quote. Usually for the wordings is $180 US, and the stripe is around $285 US.
So for two initials, it's 100.
180.
180.
Yeah.
How about if you add a third one?
I think it's also 180.
Oh, up to a max of
2 to 3. Yes. Yeah.
And the ribbon is 200.
$285.
So it's like almost 400.
Yeah.
To add 400.
Yeah. For
Oh,
the
wow.
personalization.
Wow, okay.
For us to show the client
that it's available.
offer. We do have one client saying, "This is my initial. Can I buy it right now?" But no.
Oh, it's my. Oh, that's
Yeah.
true.
They
so you
what?
won't sell it.
No, this is they already say it's for display only.
Oh.
Yes.
It's for display
Yeah,
only.
yeah,
Okay, got
yeah.
it.
But to show the people that we do
Personalize.
This is the PP and that is the MM.
So I think
Let's put it together. Put it together and see.
The MM, I really like the MM. I have the
This is the MM.
yes.
MM. And this is
The PM.
PM.
This is the medium. Yes.
Ah.
I think one of your video already featured the black BB. The
Did
black
I?
BB, Gaby.
This one, huh?
Yeah, in the gold color.
Yeah.
I remember.
This one is beautiful.
This is the new cone purse. It's so cute. It also comes with other colors and shapes. So this one is the flamingo color, make it with the carrot calf, which is the same as our mass accent.
Yeah.
So it's really cute coin purse. Or you know what? Nowadays you have the
$400.
AirPod. You can fit in the AirPod.
AirPod. Okay. How much for this toe?
The toe, this one is 1,640.
And this is the largest size, right?
This is the GM size.
GM size.
$5207, contact 175, 72 miles. Looks like a flight of 2, Angels 10.
Velvet sky of dreams, I would melt into